everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in this video I don't want to draw it out too long, but I'm going to announce that I have got some new acquisitions for the workshop that were donated to me. I had a fan of my YouTube channel contact me and want to give donations to me, not in the form of cash or anything like that, but in the form of tools. I said yes, and I'm highly humbled by what I've got. Now, I got more than what I'm going to show you on camera. Some of the stuff's already put away, and the other tools I've passed on to people who needed them. I had duplicates of them. The donor wishes to remain anonymous and not have their name or their information give out at this time, and I respect their privacy in that. But they are very impressed by my YouTube channel and noticed that I was missing a couple tools and wanted to know if I had them. They're getting ready to move and wanted to know if I wanted to take them off their hands. And all I've got in these tools is me going to get them, load them up, bring them back here, unload them, and get them in the workshop and get them in working order. But I'm going to have to take the camera off the tripod to show this to you guys. I'm really excited about this. So here we go. Let me get the camera off the tripod and I'll show you what's new. Alright, and I want to apologize in advance for any shaking. You see I'm doing this all free-handed with holding it with just my right hand. So the first tool I want to show you guys, hey Godzilla, is this. It is a Delta 6-inch motorized joiner. It came to me just like this. The stand came separate and I bolted it to the stand. I'm already making a cart for it to roll around on. I'm going to make a base to put casters on where I can roll it around the shop, because this tool is a beast. It is unplugged. I have given it a test run. It even came with the push blocks for the joiner. I did have a bad experience with one of these when I very first started woodworking. That's why one has not been in the shop until now. But I'm very happy to have this. I am going to clean it up. It's got some surface rust just from where it was sitting for a while, but it's really nice, very sturdy. Love the Delta brand. And the tool that I'm most excited about showing you guys is this. A CNC machine. It is a 2-foot by 3-foot CNC machine put out by Rockler. And it is a Rockler Shark Pro Plus, I think's the name of it, the technical term of it. You can see it's got a Bosch trim router in it to use. It came with the cords and everything. Now, of course, I'm going to have to learn some new computer stuff. I've already got it leveled. I know that is key with these machines, keeping everything level. You guys know I have the scroll saw on the angle. I can't do that with this machine, but it's really awesome. It's also a heavy machine. It came with a Rockler router bit, a V-carve bit. I also got this little container here, which I'm going to probably put all of the bits and little accessories for the CNC in. That way they're right here and easily accessible. I moved my 6-gallon shop vac over here because I'm probably going to make or create or even buy a dust shroud for this to keep down on sawdust flying everywhere in the shop. But I'm really excited about this. Words cannot express how humbled I am by this donation, but really awesome. I'm excited to learn this. And keep in mind, I am still using Windows Vista as of this recording. I now know that I'm going to have to get a better computer to run the programs that run this machine. It runs on V-carve Pro, so I will be getting that as well on a desktop, and I might even get a new video editing software. But I'm really happy with it, and these are the two tools that I kept personally out here in the workshop. Again, I'm making a rolling cart to put the joiner on, so I can just move it out to the center of the shop. It don't have a dust chute on it, so I'll probably just put a little box or something under it to catch all the sawdust. But really awesome, and I'm really happy with this and really excited. And I got the camera back up on the tripod. But that's what's new in the workshop, guys. I had to rearrange some stuff. I'm really excited about this CNC machine, which when I'm looking here at the camera, the CNC is here. Of course, you know the scroll saw is right here. So I'm going to be able to keep an eye on both of them. When I'm working on the scroll saw, I can hopefully have a project going on the CNC machine. But I'm so happy for this. This is a tool that I've wanted forever. It was just an expense that was way out of my budget, and I'm so happy that it was donated to me. I'm going to take care of it. It's not going to go in a storage building. I'm going to use it. I've already got someone that said that they will show me how to use the V-carve software and design stuff, and I hope to have it up and running within a couple months, but I've already got it leveled and got it where it's going to live out here in the workshop for now. But really, really happy. Again, I'm using Windows Vista now, so I'm going to have to upgrade computers, which I've been needing to do that for a long time. Windows maybe 8 or 10. I know 10's the most recent, I think, as of this recording. But I'm really, really happy with this and really, really excited. In the Instagram post that I will use to advertise this video like I normally do, I will post the pictures of the other tools that I got just to show you guys what was all given to me. And again, it floors me and humbles me to know that someone thought enough of me to give these to me, and the only thing I had to do was go and get them. But really, really awesome, and I'm so happy with them. I just can't quit looking at it. It's a beautiful tool, and of course a pirate would have a CNC that's called a shark. So I mean, it just goes and it just fits and how everything lines up in life. But I'm excited to learn it. There may be some breaks here on my YouTube channel. Just stay interacting with me over on my Instagram page, because now I'm going to have to buckle down and learn a software program, which is something I have never had to learn to do. So now I know that I'm going to be learning that to program stuff, digitize stuff on the computer, and then be able to bring it out here and load it and run it on the CNC. I might have to learn how to use the new video editing software for everything out here in the workshop for filming videos and showing you guys. Now, when I got the lathe, the little benchtop lathe I've got, and I've been making goblets on, people were concerned that I was going to go away from the scroll saw. I will never go away from the scroll saw. That is just a tool that I love, and its versatility, and its easy to use and set up and go. And I've used it so long I can zone out with some good music. But now I have the additional CNC machine. I'm wanting to make some signs, some engraved signs. I've got ideas for maybe a die-cast car case, a sign with maybe my sticker logo in it to hang on the shop door for a new shop sign. But really, really happy with all this. And again, I'm blessed and I'm humbled. And to the person that donated all this to the workshop, thank you so much. Truly blessed, and I cannot thank you enough. That's all I can say for that. But that's about all for this one. Just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.